Hey guys, so today is Saturday and we have come to the casino to get our free gifts that we get. Today is a mermaid pillow, which we'll give to Alexis. And we've already lost $80 and we've been here for like a half hour. So now we're just eating the buffet. Paul is over there. So yeah, this is their big night. We have Shelly's back, and so she's home with Alexis right now. And we're gonna take advantage. Come to the casino and get our free gift.
Snow between -2 and +3.
Snowstorm. We are leaving we have left the casino.
We won millions.
We got a $200 mermaid pillow. I will show you. And it's not big yet, but I'll show that to you when we get home.
That's what she said.
It's a free gift, but it's not free when you spend money at the casino. So yeah, we're on our way home now. It's just going to be a slow drive, I think, because can you see? It's pretty stormy out right now. But we were just saying how much Paul says he likes driving in the snow, and I don't like driving in the snow, but I like going for drives in the snow with somebody else driving, if that makes any sense. This is just exciting. You just never know.
What's exciting right now is there's 2 lanes, and everyone's deciding that let's make one.
Yeah, but you can't see anything, that's why.
But you know there's 2 lanes. You're not a tip house.
Most people are. Cars are covered in snow. What?
That tennis video that you were in the back. I think
Yes. Yeah.
So then, no what? It's edible. But the bunnies can't taste coconut, so not the bunnies.
Okay.
Oh hello! Why did I just tell you that? That could be Nanny and Papa.
That's not Nanny and Papa. It's okay.
Well, they call it the Barbie.
Okay, can you push that? Don't spill my coffee. Go. Okay, well, we'll discuss it after. Come this way. So, it is Saturday.
A good idea.
And I didn't end this yesterday. She hasn't stopped talking since we got in here.
It could be like a family reunion and stuff.
Yes, darling. So, it didn't end last night, and I can't even remember what we were doing. What happened? Where did I leave off last night? Oh, okay. Oh, we were driving home. Yeah, we didn't do much when we got home, and I'm really broke out, so my eyes are all kinds of red and gross. But anyway, we just found out that Lexi, her dance class was canceled today, so now we're just out kind of.
Mama, if we can, I'm gonna see the supplies that we can get for Paul.
Yes, honey, we're gonna look at everything, okay?
Mama,
Yes.
should I please get this? Know why?
Why?
Sometimes this will help me like get my skin off of my toe and then to brush it off.
Okay, sure. Put it in.
Oh my gosh. That's gonna be really helpful for me.
Okay, that's good. Then you got it. So anyway, we are just out now. Paul had to get a handle for the shovel, and oh baby, what, honey? Huh? So yeah, then we're just walking around the dollar store. So I think Lexi is going to go swimming with Paul and my nephew, and then we're not sure what. Yeah, we're not going to get stuff for the party just yet, baby. Okay, we got to plan it more. I'll talk to you guys after once I get her calmed down. Seen a neck wallet before? Neck wallet. Never heard tell this before in my life. Oh, this thing drives me crazy. So, we're just home chillaxing. I get to Brookie. Oh, good girl, Brookie. Let's see if I can get her closer to us here. Yeah. Yeah, so we're just hanging out. That's what she loves to do. It's when she wants to snuggle, she puts her face over yours. So we didn't do anything today, actually. After we're at the dollar store, Alexa's never stopped talking. I didn't do a haul, so we didn't get too much. I can't even think of what we got, actually. So, yeah, we're just kind of laying here watching Cops, relaxing, and that's it. Kind of been boring today. As I said, I'm full on in a breakout. As you can see, my eyes are so red and they constantly are leaking. And I'm covered in a rash from head to toe. Why? Who knows? Oh my god. It is funny because I looked up rashes on the internet. So, which is the worst thing you can do. Hello, Dr. Google. But, so clearly I have rubella, measles, which I thought were the same thing, but 2 different rashes. So I could have rubella, I could have measles, I could have meningitis, or I could just have a rash from being allergic to something. Who knows? Oh, Brookie, so sweet. But anyway, just another thing to drive me crazy with, I guess. I know, Baba, you just a mama. Look at that face, guys. Look at that face. Anyway, my nephew's going home tomorrow, and I actually don't think you guys have seen my nephew, so I will introduce him right now, so that you guys can say hi if he's not. Oh no, he's upstairs. Let's go upstairs and quickly say hi. Jacob, say hi. Come on. I shall get closer so you can see him. Say hi. That's Jacob. He's my nephew. So he's staying here for a couple of days visiting, but he's leaving tomorrow. So you guys have to see him. It's the vlog, by the way.
What?
The vlog. My vlog. So, yeah. He'll be here off and on, so you guys will see him randomly throughout the vlog. And sister is in her room, chilling. So she be, it's all electrics, things that she likes to collect in here. And Emma's following. But anyway, that's it for today. And tomorrow, don't know what we're going to be doing, but probably nothing too exciting, to be honest. Yeah, we have absolutely no plans. We have to get up early to drop Jacob off for the bus, and we'll see where the day takes us tomorrow. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. For sure. Bye.